There's one thing I know for sure. The moments you feel most broken are the moments that can make you unstoppable, if you choose to rise. There will be times in life when you hit rock bottom. Everything falls apart. People walk away. Friends turn their backs. Life feels like it's crushing you. And you wonder, can I ever get back up? If you're in that place right now, take a breath and listen closely. These are 19 truths you must hear, and they might just change everything. 1. You want to be number one? Be smarter. Work harder. 2. Life can knock you flat, but whether you rise again is your choice. 3. If you're scared, don't start. If you start, don't be scared. 4. Waiting changes nothing. Action changes everything. 5. Earn your own money. Create your own happiness. Love yourself first. 6. If you don't chase your own dream, you'll spend your life building someone else's. 7. Want the seat no one else can have? Endure the pain no one else can handle. 8. Life doesn't throw you into deep water to drown you. It's teaching you how to swim. 9. A lion never loses sleep over the opinions of sheep. 10. If you don't want it enough, you'll find excuses. If you do, you'll find a way. 11. The most powerful lessons come from the hardest seasons of your life. 12. Failed? Stand up. Go again. Don't settle while you still have the strength to fight. 13. Anyone trying to pull you down is already beneath you. 14. The best way to predict the future is to create it. 15. Not everything that shines is gold. Not every smile is genuine. A good heart matters more than a pretty face. 16. You only get one life. Don't waste it on people who don't deserve your time. 17. Keep moving forward. It doesn't matter how slow you go, as long as you don't stop. 18. Exploding in anger is instinct. Controlling your emotions, that's strength. 19. There are thousands of places to go, but only one place will always take you back. Home. Remember, these truths are not just words. They are the weapons you carry when the world tries to crush you. The storm will come. The darkness will surround you. But every fall is just another chance to rise higher. You might be down right now, but don't stay there. Get up, wipe your tears, and fight. You are stronger than you think, and the world is waiting for your comeback. If this message lit a fire in you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button so more people can see it. Drop a comment, "I will rise again," and let the world know you're not giving up. And if you want more motivation like this, subscribe now so you'll have a voice in your ear every time life tries to break you. Because next time you fall, we'll be here to help you rise.